assisted by Kelsey Giada and Elise Laub. Percussion instructor Blaine Klein, major and advisor Jennifer Bunnish, and color guard advisor Jackie Blade. Plain Local Schools proudly presents the 2014 GlenOak Golden Eagles Marching Band, the pride of Plain Township. Tonight, the band honors its senior members with a throwback show, highlighting some of their favorite music and moments from the past 4 years. We open our show tonight with a throwback to the 1970s with this hit originally recorded by the Spencer Davis Group. Here's Gimme Some Lovin'. Performed by the band. Selected by and featuring our seniors, here's Counting Crows' Accidentally in Love. As we close our show this evening, we would like to recognize and thank our seniors for all the hard work and dedication they have given to the GlenOak Band throughout their 4 years of high school. Thank you, seniors. We conclude our performance with a throwback to our first halftime show and leave you with this jazz chart made popular by the group Weather Report. Here's Third Lane.